Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where network icon says no internet access but you're connected to Windows, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, usually restarting the computer will fix the problem, but if it does not, then switch off the modem, router, computer, all the three devices. Switch on the modem only, wait till the lights are stable. Switch on the router only, wait till all the lights are stable, and then the computer. If you have a combined modem and router, then simply switch on the router, wait till lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. The next solution is to update the network driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list of network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and then update drivers. The last one is a network reset. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab, scroll down, select advanced network settings and then select network reset. Click on reset now and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.